Sports Hall of Fame. I mean, those are all Missouri side, but I'm from technically Illinois, right? So it's exciting. And this is the...
Not an easy opponent, but City's looking sharp and hungry to bounce back. And if they keep it up with the same attacking momentum and tighten things up defensively, they will get a real shot at grabbing all 3 points tonight.
number 6 was an offside position. The final decision is offside.
Been issued to Vancouver's number 20, Andres Kubas, in the 56th minute.
I feel you can see today we are a step closer to the main goal, and looking like a solid team, and getting the goals. If we get that goal not overturned by VAR, I think this could be a game we win 2-3-0, and yeah, but that's just the momentum at the end of the day. These games we have, we just need to work hard, and you can see today is a right step in the right direction.
Is it kind of befuddling that you guys haven't been able to figure it out over the last however many weeks, it's a month or so, that you guys have so many guys that can put the ball in the back of the net?
Yeah, it's of course frustrating, but we try to just look at ourselves and how we can create those big chances, and the goals will come if we create the big chances. And as solid as we are today, if we continue like this, I think for sure we will win games.
Coach, what was the explanation you received on the offside call on Conrad Wallm?
I haven't received an explanation. No.
Have you seen the playback?
Yeah. I mean, for me, I don't understand it. I don't know. I think the goal should stand. Especially if they decide to give it. Again, as I said, where is the consistency? Last week, they gave the offside, decided to review, and it was obviously not onside. So now, I mean, it's definitely not obvious offside. I think anyone can see that, and I could see for how long it took, for the referee to review that. So with that said, why change? When you probably should have changed last week. So, unfortunate for us, it costs us points.
Can this offense be successful? Can you win games if a player like Marcel Hartel, who's so important to the offense, isn't touching the ball in the box?
Yeah, I think so, and he had some really good position just outside of the box throughout the game as well, and this is one of his biggest strengths. That final pass, and I mean with Klaus, Sedi, Konrad on the pitch, we have players who can score goals, and I'm sure they will come.
Olaf, just what's the takeaway from a match like tonight? Just what are some of the things that kind of stand out to you?
Yeah, I thought it was a really solid game. Could have won, could have lost. I thought we had the bigger chances and didn't concede that much. We worked extremely hard, and we had a solid game, I think, against the good side.
The Kessler injury, how much did that kind of change what you guys did on defense, if at all? I mean, just kind of how do you guys kind of move? We
didn't change too much, tactically. obviously it's the player who has done extremely well for us at the start of the season. But really happy to see the centre backs out there today. I thought all three did extremely well. Josh, Timo, and Kyle.
Feels good. Clean sheet is always nice. I feel good out there. Feel comfortable. It's nice that we kept a clean sheet today, and I think that's it. Yeah, happy for now.
I think we talked after your first clean sheet against Seattle about just getting in the rhythm with the ball at your feet. Today it seemed like you're very comfortable passing in those long passing sequence. Are you starting to feel more the rhythm of being that everyday starter?
Yeah, it goes quickly. You start a couple of games and then all of a sudden you feel really comfortable. Versus you play now and then we'll see. Maybe you play in in 8 games. It's a difference. And then you just want to survive. You just want to play good for one game. And don't want to take too many risks. It's normal. And now that you play a couple of games in a row, you start to feel a little bit more comfortable.
Ben, what are some of the things that you guys can build on after a match like tonight?
Yeah, good intensity. Again, I think we all felt comfortable in the back. We played good from the back. We created momentum, a lot of energy, and I think you can feel it. I think we had a lot of willpower. We really wanted to win. We wanted to give the fans something, and it's really close. You can see it at all these games that we're playing. Every game can go, one way or the other. It really comes down to a couple moments that decide the game, and I think we're really close of breaking through.
What are some of the things at Vancouver, like the challenges they present? How did you kind of see you guys?
Yeah, I mean, I did a good job with my goalkeeper coach scouting them, and in general the team who scouted them, they're good at a lot of things. They can cross the ball, they can play deep in behind us. They're a very versatile team. They have good players, so we had to be alerted every moment, and I think tonight we did a really good job. We looked at the Columbus game and we saw that when we're behind the ball we need to be more aggressive, shifting, stepping. No team should score against us if we have all the players behind the ball. That's something we looked at, and I think we did a better job tonight.